Hey future animators, so one of the things that I wanted to talk about a bit in documentation, we actually have an art documentation channel on Discord that I'm on right now, so that is just a way on Discord that we've shown the different things that we're doing with the art and other stuff, or recording what we're doing. But for this project in the future, you might be using Discord as a means of communication with your team. It's a great way to kind of get the whole team together on something on a group chat, and also have different chats organized for different things. Like, for example, I might have things in the asset review chat if I make a hair asset or something to ask specific things about that. If I have other questions, I'd put it in questions. And there's different channels for specific things, so all the questions or the chatting stays organized. For example, I don't really go into programming documentation because I'm not a programmer, so that's a good place for them to have their chats, and I can see what's going on if I want to, but I know if something's in programming documentation, that's not for me. But if someone puts something in questions, that might be for me. If someone's in art documentation, that might be for me. You can also know if you're directly being contacted if someone tags you. For example, I can tag just one of my bosses, like Misha or Miko, but I could also go in and tag the whole programming team, or the animation team, which is a bit redundant, because it's just me. But that's basically how you'd use Discord for work. It's pretty easy, and you can also, if one of your team members needs to show you something, you can actually go do a voice call with them. That's good for meetings if someone is a bit more remote, and also, to do a meeting with someone to show you something where you might not be able to meet up in person. And you can also screen share if you're having technical issues.